Hello friends, welcome to our channel and in this video I tell you about how can you make your LSI skill and this is the part 3 of LSI skill development by using ask-cli, and here I tell you how can you test your skill after deployment of your skill to the Amazon services. Okay, so now you need to adding some commands here just like that you can see. Okay, so you can see here you can see my blog. I share my blog with you in the video description, no problem. Okay, so you can get more things from there. Invocation name, okay, so our project is ready to go, and now I want to tell you, you can see here just like that, this is our fact and just like that. Okay, so your project is successfully installed, but here I tell you some uh, things just like secrets about, so you can also see this one and this one. Okay, so this is a configuration file of our Alexa system. Here you can see that we have in the deployment setting, if I use my account as a default without any name, so here you find a default. Okay, and you also can see this one. This is our lambda function URI, where in the named the same named function created in our AWS management console in lambda. Okay, so you can see just like that. You can, I tell you how can this one is find. So lambda. Okay, in this one is created in North Virginia region, because this is the default reason for creating a lambda function for LSI skill development. Okay, so this is required, and here you can see our new created you can see anywhere, because we already lots of created. Okay, there, this one. Okay, 820, you can find just like that. Because we have already created lots of functions, so that's why we difficult to finding anything. So you can see this one. Okay, so you can also see the code of your lambda function just like that, but it's your choice. You can want to get anything just like that. Okay, you can see here just your code. Our code is just okay, so you can see here. Okay, we just want to again okay, so yeah, now we just want to if you want to test our skill in our our Alexa developer console, so we can also test here. So test, we need to test, so you can test it. Okay, so our invocation name, type our invocation name. Okay, you can see.
Here's your fact. Despite being farther from the sun, Venus experiences higher temperatures than Mercury.
Okay, we not change our code, that's why you can see here, but you can change this one according to your facts, and if you want to move adding anything just like qualities in your fact skill, so you can add, and you just need to change this here in your index. Here you find a lots of code. Okay, so everything, so you need to learn more, and you can see here there are lots of intents, this type of intents, and these provide the backend to your LSS skill, just like that. And these type of things are respond your requested to your user. Okay, and the module you can see here, this one, this is most important for making your LSS skill in lots of countries or languages. So you need to establishing these both module. Okay, so you can already think you already know everything, just like that. So now if you want to add more languages, so we add more languages in our next videos, and you also can see here. So I think you will be able to making an LSS skill using an ask-cli. Okay, you need to change this data. Okay, you need to change this one. Okay, according to your functionality you want to add, just like anything here. This one not, it's your, you can also change this one, it's your choice, and whatever response you want to add here. Okay, so this type of according to your concepts, so you can tell the world about your LSS skills. Okay, okay, so there are lots of requirement and necessary things to add in this repository. So you can see there. Okay, or okay, now you're ready to go or making an LSS skill using ask-cli. Thanks for watching, and subscribe our channel, and we just added more videos about LSI skill development which help you to making an LSS skill, and also share more secrets about that development. So you need to subscribe our channel and follow on our YouTube channel, and we just make it more and make it easy everything just like you want. Okay, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel, goodbye, bye bye.